Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to shave your face the correct way, removing peach fuzz, dead skin cells, and also doing this without causing irritation or rash or unwanted breakouts or acne. I am a licensed master esthetician, so I'm going to give you professional tips and tricks on how you can effectively remove that annoying peach fuzz or facial hair that, let me tell you the secret, everybody has, so you're not alone. But I'm going to show you how you can remove this because number one, it's annoying. Number two, your makeup application is going to be beautiful after you have removed the peach fuzz, and then also it's a great way for you to remove the dead skin cell buildup, revealing that beautiful, youthful, fresh new skin. Let's get started. Step number one is not using these products. So these are products that you can get at your drugstore, and I see a lot of YouTube videos where people are actually taking, this is a brand new razor, okay? So they're taking these products. This is a sensitive razor, which I personally use for the rest of my body. But when it comes to your face, you're talking about very delicate, sensitive skin, and you really don't want to take, 5 blades to your face. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers use these products, and as a licensed master esthetician, I'm just gonna put this out there. Do not use these on your face. Basically, what happens when you use this kind of razor, you are dragging the blades and you are actually ripping your own pores. So your skin is going to look damaged, your pores are going to look damaged. Over a long period of time, you're actually going to deepen the pore socket, so you're going to see your pores a lot more, because every time you use a blade like this, you are actually cutting into the pores. So keep that in mind. There are better products than these. Don't use these on your face. Please don't use these on your face. Now, as many of you know, my preference to remove the facial hair is waxing. I use a very professional grade hard wax about once a month to every 5 weeks. But for those of you that are timid and don't really like the idea of waxing your entire face, this is a great alternative, and this is something that you can do at home. I'm going to show you the products that you can use to do this at home. It's going to save you a lot of money, because if you are doing this type of treatment in, say, a spa or medical spa, this can run hundreds of dollars that you have to do quite frequently, almost monthly. So I'm going to show you this product that I recommend that you can use at home. This is not a sponsored video, but this is a product that I do approve. And also, the term for this technique, if you are going to a spa, is dermaplaning. So we're talking about dermaplaning, which is the same as essentially shaving your face. With that being said, the product that I am discussing or showing you today is by Dermaflash. You may have seen this on Instagram or Facebook. This is probably the most popular at-home dermaplaning facial shaving company. So Dermaflash is the product that we're going to be using today. Now, what's included in this kit is a charging station, and what's unique about this little shaver is that it has a bit of a vibration. So in addition to the blade that we're going to attach here, it also has a vibration when you're using this on your face. In the kit, it comes with 6 blades. You are supposed to change these blades every time you shave your face, so you will just discard each blade as you use them. There is a face wash, which is a face prep, and then there's a post-soothing serum that you can use. For today's demonstration, I'm not going to be using these 2 products, but they are included in this package. To apply the blade, you simply take the little Dermaflash and you insert it and slide it and just click it out, and here you have a blade. I've taken the bottom one here, and now there's the blade in place. Now, before we begin, of course, we want to prep our skin. So I have already cleansed my face with the charcoal cleanser from MintPear, and I am going to prep my face with the witch hazel and cucumber toner. And this will help to remove residual makeup and also make sure that I don't have any bacteria or oils on my skin before I shave. I'm just going to take a cotton pad and I'm going to go over the area that I'm going to shave. For some reason, facial hair for women is such a taboo topic. It's so sensitive, and I feel like all of my clients feel like they're the only ones dealing with that, but they don't understand basically all it is that women are just keeping up on the maintenance of their own. So if you have a lot of friends and you feel like, why don't they have any facial hair? They're probably just removing it, either waxing, laser hair removal, or doing something like dermaplaning. So don't feel like you're alone. There's always a solution, and you're definitely not the only one dealing with facial hair. So let's get started, and I'll show you the technique and the direction to use the dermaplaning tool. Now for this tool specifically, it does have a vibration like I mentioned, so I'm just going to turn that on here. And then basically I just hold this between my fingers, and the side of this is going to glide onto my face. And I'm going to pull my skin with my other hand. And I'm just going to go in downward motions towards my nose. And I'm just using light feathering motions going towards my mouth. And I'm going to take this all the way until about my smiley line. And then we're going to do the lip, mustache in a different direction. So I have pretty blonde light hair, and you can't really see what I just wiped off onto my cotton pad, but I'm basically just wiping the hair as I shave onto a little cotton pad. You really can't see what I'm pulling off because it's so blonde, but I can tell you it's definitely coming off. Now for my mustache, I'm going to take and just lay this against my face and go directly down. And then for under my lip, I'm gonna go up. And down over my chin. Alright, it's so smooth. Now for the forehead, which, yeah, I know that's kind of weird, like why are you shaving your face? But remember, this is removing dead skin cells. So also in addition to the peach fuzz, it's removing that top layer of dead skin cells that really prevent your makeup from applying smoothly and beautifully. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to move my hair out of the way, and you're just going to take this again, laying it on your skin, and you're just going to go down towards the eyebrow. Do not shave off your eyebrow. And I'm just going to go all the way down on my forehead like this. You don't need to shave your nose. I'm just going to put that out there. Don't use this on your nose. Remember, going against the face all the way to the smiley line in little strokes. For the chin, just going down. So as you can see, this is just one blade. So this is not 6 blades that I'm using on my face. This is only one blade, and it's a very gentle, sensitive, very well-intended blade for this sensitive area. Now I'm going to finish on my forehead, just going down. This tool is intended to be used on dry skin, so never use this on wet skin. Make sure after you cleanse your face and tone your face that all the liquid has been dried, so you're using this on dry. And once I'm finished with that blade, it just pops back into place, so you can see the difference because once it's been used, it doesn't have this little blue, you can see the little blue dot. The used ones will no longer have that blue dot. So This little guy will go back on the charging station, and I don't have to use this for another 3 or 4 weeks. There is all of the hair that I have removed from my face, as hard as that is to see because it's blonde, but it's there. I can assure you my face is very smooth right now. Now after I have finished, I'm going to go back over with the MintPear Fresh Toner, which is cucumber and witch hazel, and that's going to just make sure that I don't have any bacteria or any germs on my skin, and it's also going to calm and soothe my skin with the cucumber. It feels so good and it smells so lovely. The next following step is something that I do, whether that's after I have dermaplaned, shaved, or waxed my face. So after I've toned, I will apply the jojoba oil, and this is going to help with the redness, and it's also going to help soothe and calm my skin, but also combat any irritation or any bacteria naturally, so that I won't get any of those breakouts after I have shaved or dermaplaned my face. Jojoba oil is great for any skin type, but it's especially wonderful for acne-prone skin. So after you've had a treatment like dermaplaning or face waxing, it's really important that you combat any of those opportunities for your skin to really break out with a product like jojoba oil, just to help prevent those breakouts. I'm just going to gently pat this on so I'm not rubbing or irritating my skin. I'm making sure that it's well hydrated after the trauma of shaving your face, and just making sure that I've really put something that's going to calm and soothe my skin to make sure that it heals properly. And now my skin is just shiny and smooth and ready for beautiful makeup application. Now again, give your skin some time to soothe and calm down after this treatment. Make sure that if you're going into the sun, you are applying sun protection like SPF. If you are going to apply makeup, I do recommend that you do this treatment in the evening so that you give your skin a few good hours before you're applying any type of makeup products. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. I hope this video was very helpful, and I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so that you know when my new videos are live on my channel. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Take care. And here's my next video. You can click it if you wanna. You can click it. You can watch this video. You should watch this video. Why would you not watch this video? Why haven't you clicked it yet?